Welcome to PromeAI Academy.
So let's dive into TextureLock Rendering. This tool is made in correspondence to one of the user's requests, which is maintaining the material texture in the rendering process. So if you have detailed SketchUp or CAD models where all the materials and colors have been set, you can use this tool to achieve seamless and accurate rendering. So after you log into our site, you will see this main page like this. And as you may notice, I've already saved this tool here in my collect. So if you haven't, you can always find it in the top bar section or the sidebar column. So first, let's check out some of the published examples here in the Discover and the Remix. So for this one, click to view the details of this library rendering. So here in the side-by-side comparison, you can see that the wood material is well preserved in the output. And the variation level was set in the highest 6 since the output is a SketchUp model. So let's check another exterior example. So it's also a SketchUp input. You can see that the glass material for the facade and the colors of 2 cars are reflected correctly in the outputs. So okay, let me show you the process. So actually the workflow is relatively easy compared to sketch rendering. It does not have many settings to adjust or to choose. So first, you need to upload an image. So you also, if you have already uploaded, you can select them in your assets. So if it's in your file, I have prepared this one. So they're actually the same, but this one's already saved in my assets. So next, you should input the modified prompts. Here, we got you an AI caption add-on, which can write prompts for your image. You can leave it or make any changes if needed. So here we got a detailed description based on your inputs. So for the variation level, since my upload image is a model screenshot and I want it to be rendered, so I will go for the highest 6. But if your input is a real-life photo, you can select between 1 to 3. Make sure that the output is not that changed. And select here, you can select how many outputs you want to generate. Enable the fast mode and click generate. So just wait a few seconds, you will get your output displayed in your generation history with date, time, and prompts. So let's check one of the outputs. So you can see that the material of the countertop and the computer screen is well preserved in the outputs. So there are 2 displayed grills for you to choose. This is a new one, or you can go back to the previous one with 3 separate output layouts. So, well, I prefer the new layout because it has all the information displayed here. So in addition, I'd like to demonstrate another example. Back to the discovery page. So in this one, the input is a visualized image in which we can add extra elements to the rendering and keep the rest of the texture unchanged. So in this one, I added a few lamp components on the top. So here, I've got you another example of a home office. So here, this one. So here I wish to add some cylinder LED lamps in the ceilings to look how it will look like. So after uploading the photo, I go to the editing bar below where I can add objects. So FYI, this editing add-on is also available in sketch rendering. Here are some, so let me select the lamps I want to add. So there are some basic editing options. For this, I would go for the background remover. So I can adjust the size and also give it a little rotate. So if there are multiple things you need to add, you can also adjust them in layers. So here we can view that all the layers displayed in here. So after that, write prompt, give it a quick browse and making sure everything is well described, and set the variation level in 2 since I don't want a big change in the output. So 3 images, fast mode, generate. So here you go. You can check the side-by-side comparison. So those are the basics for using TextureLock rendering. Please feel free to share your thoughts or ask for help on our YouTube channel. And you can also reach out to us via all social media and emails. So happy creating!